Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the best AI features you should know on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Okay, so let's begin with the Bixby and a few things that we can do thanks to it. And because we can give him tasks by simply using our voice, and he will do what we will say. So for example, let's try to remotely set an alarm for tomorrow. That's an example. Of course, we can also name it. We'll simply tell the AI to name it as we want. So let's say we want to set an alarm at 7 p.m. tomorrow to do, I don't know, do the groceries. That's an example. Now, how to launch the Bixby? Because that's also important. It works in the best way when it's on the shortcut on the power button, but first we need to set it. So let's hold the power button and the volume down button for a little. Just like that. No, damn. Sometimes it doesn't want to work as it should. Okay. And now click on side button settings and select the long press for a Bixby. Simply make sure it's enabled. Okay. Also, if you want, you can enable to launch the Gemini by the voice. Oh, you can already see that. That's a recommendation from the Bixby how you can use it. So let's launch it up, just like I was saying, and let's set an alarm. Set an alarm at 7 p.m. tomorrow and name it Do the Groceries.
Your Do the Groceries alarm for tomorrow at 7 p.m. will go off in 22 hours 21 minutes.
Alright, so due to AI, the alarm has been set, but let's make sure by simply opening up the clock app. And as you take a look, the alarm has been successfully set, so AI did its job and everything went fine. Of course, that's an example how you can use the Bixby for your day-to-day use. I was showing you an example. You can try it on your own, but it works pretty nice and it's really, really comfortable. Okay, next thing is the AI search and many other things that we have on this device. Let me show you all features that are really cool. Let's open up the settings, scroll down, find advanced features and the intelligent features. And in here we have all of them. It's the object eraser, edit suggestions, custom filters, AI select and read aloud. Let's begin with the object eraser. We can use it when we open up the gallery and when we open one of the photos in that gallery. So thanks to that, we'll be able to erase the object that we don't want to have on our photo. It looks pretty cool and works pretty nice. Let me show you how we can use it. So let's open up the gallery. Now pick the photos that you want. In here, for example, I took that one. And let's say that from this photo we want to erase this logo. So to do it, we need to click on that icon, those stars. Simply click on that, wait a little, and now we have the object eraser. Okay, and now we can erase also the shadows and also erase the reflections. But let's keep on erasing this logo. Simply select it. You can use your finger, but currently I'm using the dedicated S Pen because it's really comfortable to use. So select the object that you want to erase. You can now see that it has been selected, and now simply click on erase right in here on the right side, and boom, it magically disappeared. Pretty cool thing. If you want to save the photo, click on the top right corner. You can save it as an old photo or save it as a copy. Okay, so that's the original photo. Here's the original photo. And here's the photo where we have erased this piece of this logo, basically. So that's how this option works. Okay, back into the settings. Okay, and we have below edit suggestions. In here you can see how it works. And thanks to that we will have and suggestions what we can do with our photos. So let's open up the gallery once again. Let's select the photo, and again, basically that's the icon that the instruction was telling us. From here, again, we can open up the object eraser, or we can, for example, remaster the photo. Okay, and now we can see the difference. We can also slide to see the changes. Currently, I don't see those changes, but actually, no, we have better colors, because when I'm sliding, I can see a little difference in the color. And actually, I would tell that after the enchanting, the photo simply looks better. If you want to save the copy, click on that button. Pretty simple. Okay, next thing is the custom filters. To do it, we need to open up our camera app, use the normal photo mode, and in here we have the filters. And if you want to add a custom filter, simply click on that plus button, and now select picture to use as a filter. So for example, let's use that filter, and now it will be applied. You can already see that the colors has changed thanks to the filter. If you want to save it, click on done, and now we have our custom filter, which we can also adjust. We can change the strength, color temperature, contrast, and the saturation. Alright, back into the settings. Now, another thing is the AI select. Now, when we use the AI select, it shows us what we can do with the part of the screen that we have just selected. So maybe let's launch a browser, and let's launch the AI select. To do it, let's open up the edge bar. It's right in here, and the first option is the AI select. Okay, now we need to tap or draw something around. So let's say we will select this part of the screen. Okay, and now we have our AI suggestions. We can, when we click right in here, we can select the text to copy it. When you click on the website, it will search for those things in other page. When you click on Set as Wallpaper, this part of the screen will be set as a wallpaper. Pretty easy. When you click on those three dots, you can create a GIF, for example, from this part of the screen that you have just selected. Maybe it won't work as a GIF because I have selected the part where we have only apps, but I'll leave it to you to find out how this feature works. When you click on that icon, this part of the screen gets maximized, and in here we can draw something on this part of the screen. We can use the rubber, we can share with this picture, or we can download it into our phone. I'll show you how we can draw on it. And that's how you can use this mode. Now we can save this, and it has been transferred into our gallery thanks to it. So that's how the AI select works. Of course, thanks to it, you can also search for the things in the internet and many other things. Back into the intelligent features. Also, if you click on the AI select in here, you can see a list of things that you can do. Okay, and the last thing from the intelligent features that is provided in the Samsung is the read aloud feature. Okay, now if you want to use a read aloud, it's going to basically read the text that is written on the page. But if you want to use this feature, you need to use the Samsung browser. It will only work in this app. If you want, you can install other voice data. In here we have a list of languages that are supported. If you want to download it, simply click on that icon, which is next to each language. When you click on the voice styles, you can also change them. They are right in here. Okay, so let's try how this mode actually works. Let's launch our Samsung browser. Now let's launch some page with the text. So let it be BBC News. That's an example. Click on I agree. For example, let's start from here. Okay, and now to use read aloud, click on that icon right in here and click on read aloud.
European leaders outraged after Russia.
Maybe let's actually change the page. Actually, let's open up for example, this shop. It's in the Polish language, but I'll show you that it actually works. Click on accept, select read aloud. But in here it doesn't want to work because we don't have the Polish language. It requires downloading, but I'll download it quickly to show you that it actually works. Okay, now it should work. Back into our browser. Let's try again.
Sklepy. Na tysiące produktów. Sprawdź oferty na ostatnie sztuki. I do listopada nie płacisz. Promocje i inne. 5. produkt nawet za 1 zł. Wybierz lodówkę do twojej kuchni. Znajdź sprzęt dopasowany do ciebie. Sprawdź szczegóły. Hity dnia. Zyskaj 100 zł. Premiera Huawei. Syrop za 1 zł. 11 lat Roborock. Na karcie podarunkowej euro przy zakupie nowego Xiaomi Redmi 1515C.
Okay, that's enough. So you can see that it basically reads the whole text that is on this page. Of course, it also depends from the language. In some of the pages, when there is no English, you will have to download the language, just like in the way that I have shown you. Okay, we can close it. And the last thing that I'm about to show you is AI suggestion for finding in the gallery. And what I mean, when you click on the search icon and when you click on the search bar, when you click and when you type the first letter of what you want to search, for example, you type the F and it appears as a furniture. So it's basically giving us suggestions what we want to find on our device. Maybe when I'll type O, as you can see, we have suggestions, for example, for objects, office supplies, and as you can see, we have a photo that fits into the description that we have just selected for the AI search. All right, That's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.